In Allinea DDT 3.2, it is now possible to interface DDT with the VisIt package. VisIt is a distributed visualization tool. After installing VisIt on the cluster, go to the Options and Configuration of Allinea DDT and specify the launch command for VisIt. Then, start your job the usual way. To get started with the visualization, you will need to find a location in your code where you will be able to put a synchronization point and where the array you want to draw is visible for all the processes. In our case, we will go on the call loop of the code, which is done in the function hit time step. Once we are there, we will be able to create a visualization point. Visualization points are available on the lower part of the screen next to the trace points. If you right-click and edit the visualization point, you will be able to specify the vis point using the location of the code, the array expression you want to look at, the boundaries of that array, and how you want to distribute the drawing across multiple processes. Then click on play. Once the code will reach the visualization point, a pop-up will appear and will propose you to get started with VisIt. If you click on Launch, VisIt will be started on your cluster. After a couple of seconds, where VisIt will actually attach to the engine, you will be able to add some plots on your VisIt. In our case, we will add a pseudo-color on grid rad theta. Once the plot is visible, you can draw it and the picture will appear in the visualization window. You can hide and show this picture. Then, if you click on play, the code will be running on the whole cluster and the data will be updated every step. You can take back the control of the execution flow at any time. To do so, click on the stop button in VisIt. We have added a button that makes the relationship between the visualization domains and the actual processes. If you click on the button and in an area on VisIt, Allinea DDT will tell you what domain and what processes are related to that picture.